Hello everyone, welcome to Baby Kid Foods, a channel of easy recipes, quick recipes, African traditional foods and modern. So if at all you're new in this channel, Baby Kid Foods is such kind of a channel with amazing videos, travel and events. So please consider viewing my videos, like, share, subscribe. And for the returning subscribers, please, thank you so much for turning back. So guys, this morning, I just want to share with you what I'm going to have for my breakfast this morning. It's just some simple breakfast, so you can always um, try them out. This simple and healthy breakfast. So keep tuned. So guys, these are my three eggs, and what I'm going to do here is just to show you another style of making some puffy eggs. So what I'm going to do here is to make my puffy eggs. That is what I'm going to use for my breakfast. Okay. So with these three eggs, I'm going to make some puffy eggs. And what I have here is just vegetable oil and salt. So keep tuned and see how my egg is going to come out. My three eggs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the yolk part. I'll separate this yolk and this. So next what I'll do is to add some salt to both of them. Just a little salt. So guys, I'm going to beat up this white part and make sure that it creates some foam. So you can beat it as much as possible and you use a lot of force until everything comes into form. And in fact, even if you have a what, but you need to use a lot of force. So keep tuned. So guys, you have to beat it until you see some form like this. You can see. So guys, you can see how it is. So next, I'll put it aside and get back to this and do the same to this as well. Make sure you beat these eggs until it takes some form. I'll leave it aside, keep tuned. Lit my heat and placed my pan now. I'm going to add some cooking oil to my pan. So I will let it heat well. So stay tuned. As my oil is cooking, I'll continue beating because I want it to enlarge. Yeah. Then back again once more here. Then I'm going to add in everything here now. Then I'll beat them together, and here I am now. So guys, you just let it cook the way it is until it comes up. going to do is to change it. Then this way. So you can see how my egg is. So stay tuned. Guys, it's done. And now you can see. So this is how to make your bread. See how nice it looks. So keep tuned still. So guys, this is my simple breakfast that I'm going to take this morning. I have some arrowroot here and some my puffed egg with my thick African tea. This is Kenyan tea, very very nice. So guys, if you make a visit to Kenya, ensure you take African Kenyan tea. It's the best. This one. So nice guys. Please view my video, give it a like, share as much as you can, and please try it. Otherwise, thank you so much. You can see my African Kenyan tea. Very, very nice. So this is my breakfast for today. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet on another video. Bye-bye.